Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end in order to understand this thoroughly. So here you can see a weekly chart of the WTI crude oil futures. So here you can see that how the crude oil futures started to move upward since the last week of December 2024 after taking a strong support at the levels to $68.72. Undoubtedly, there was a strong upward move during the last week when the crude oil futures moved upward from the levels of $70 and tested a high at the levels of $74.46. So here you can see that how we've seen this rally since the crude oil futures turned bullish above the 20 days moving average. Here you can see that how the 9 days moving average is trying to come above the 20 days moving average. This could keep the crude oil futures in the upward direction, but on the other hand, upside seems to be limited, as here the immediate resistance will be seen at the 50 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $75.87, and the next resistance will be at the levels of $66, and the next resistance will be at the 100 days moving average at $76.65. And I find that if the crude oil futures are not able to sustain above the 50 days moving average during the upcoming week, we'll see one more attempt to move upward back up to the levels of $78, but from here a sharp sell-off can be seen, as here the significant resistance will be seen at the 200 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of $80. Undoubtedly, here the crude oil futures could try to move upward in order to test the significant resistance at $80, but I find a sharp sell-off can be seen from the levels of $76 during the upcoming week, and this downward trend could continue up to the joining of President-elect Donald Trump on January 20th. So here the need of the hour is to remain cautious, as the trader will be looking for a clear view on energy policies on joining of the President Trump, as the President Trump favors fossil fuel at the most. And second important thing is that the cold weather could keep the oil rigs shut during the upcoming week. So here I find that shortly we will see an advent of a selling spree during the upcoming week. Despite an upward move, crude oil futures could see a sharp sell-off from these levels if they are not able to hold above the 100 days moving average. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.